Tuesday, the Department of Justice filed a civil suit against President Donald Trump's former National Security Advisor John Bolton over the publication of his tell-all book alleging misconduct in the administration. In a lengthy Twitter thread, law professor Rick Hasen explained why the lawsuit is likely just for show, to put Trump's mind at ease, rather than to actually block the book or win any sort of legal relief. Advertisement. I've looked at the Bolton complaint, and a bit about the remedies portion https://t.go/4 scene 541bx. The suit seeks declaratory relief, saying Bolton breached agreements, a constructive trust, disgorging any profits, and what looks like an injunction/1. Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. These are the two paragraphs of the complaint that suggest what the government might seek as a court order against Bolton and his publisher and others working with him, to prevent publication of the book and disclosure of otherwise, supposedly protected, information. /2pic.twitter.com/VUHU3VM0XT. Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. On the book publication itself, the language requests a court order for Bolton to notify publisher that he's violated a duty of pre-publication review and to delay distribution of and retrieve and dispose of copies of the book insofar as he has the authority to do so. /3, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Advertisement. But the book was reported in warehouses last week and could even be in the hands of bookstores right now. The government has not yet even asked for a temporary restraining order to make this happen. So hard to see how such a request wouldn't be moot by the time heard. /4, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Advertisement. That's even assuming there would be no First Amendment problem with blocking review, which of course would be a major issue given that this is a classic prior restraint. The chances of an order blocking publication seem quite low. /5, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Advertisement. The other part of the requested injunctive relief, to stop Bolton from publicly disclosing information in the book before the government has granted permission, also seems likely mooted by release of the book, and it would raise similar, or greater, First Amendment objections. /6, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Whether the government could get the other relief it seeks, declaratory relief and disgorgement of Bolton's profits via a constructive trust, depends upon how strong the breach of contract/fiduciary duty claims are, an issue other to defer to others with more knowledge. /7, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Advertisement. But given the late timing and the potentially large constitutional problem, why is the government asking for relief that it is very unlikely to get? Perhaps it is because Mr. Barr's boss would like him to make that request, and Barr is obliging. /8, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. It may be no more than a complaint written for an audience of one, more about looking tough against Bolton and claiming he's violating the law than about getting actual court relief, at least on the injunctive side. /9, Rick Hasen, at Rickerson, June 16, 2020. Advertisement. Enjoy good journalism? Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we here at Raw Story believe in the power of progressive journalism. Raw Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and legal efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. And unlike other news outlets, we've decided to make our original content free. But we need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent. Unbinged from corporate overlords, we fight to ensure no one is forgotten. We need your support in this difficult time. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Thank you. Click to donate by check. Value Raw Story? Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we believe in the power of progressive journalism, and we're investing in investigative reporting as other publications give it the axe. Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. We need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent. You won't find mainstream media bias here. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us in the future. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Thank you. Report typos and corrections to email protected. Let's block ads.
Show your love for him. Click the link in description. Thanks for watching.